In this video, we review this product and why this product is the best options in the market right now. First, let's see the specs of the product.
HEPA filtration is great for removing allergens such as dust, pollen, pet dander, and smoke from the air. We are filling this chamber with smoke while the air purifier is off. This real-time demo shows how effectively smoke can be removed from the air. Smoke is a great example because it's easily seen, and smoke particles are similar in size to other common allergens. Look how quickly it works! Imagine how well true HEPA filtration will remove allergens and dust from the air in your home.
Why we like this product. And these are rating for this product.